So my wife and I are going to go through and we are going to do an offer value stack for just the software.
Just the software.
Just the software that's included in the offer. I want you to know that all of this software that's actually built to help you automate the things that can and should be automated in your organic marketing on Facebook, all of this software has been built to serve very specific functions and purposes to help you out, more specifically to actually help us out in our process. It's been built and it is supported by our software development company, Tier 5. So I want you to rest assured that if you need help with any of the software, if you need tech support, if you need to talk to somebody, we have people for you to talk to. If something happens with Facebook and they make changes and the software needs to be updated, we've got a whole team of people who can go in and actually update that software and make sure it's always actually working. So I just want you to be clear that whenever we're going through just the software that we've included in this offer, that the software is built and supported by our real company, Tier 5, my wife and I's company. All right, so let's get into the software. You ready? I'm gonna try to go as quick as possible because this is just the software that's included in this offer. First off, we got Just Invite. People are paying us $47 one time or $5 a month for this software. It will help you grow your Facebook pages and your groups. Next up, we have Mad Adder. People pay $97 one time or $25 a month for this software, and it's gonna actually help you create better content and better ads so that you can sell more things. Next up, we got Post Filter. People pay $347 one-time payment or $27 a month for this software. And this is gonna actually help you find exactly what you're looking for, filter out everything else, and it's gonna give you even more targeted leads and even more targeted content. Next, we have Engagement Monster. People pay $270 a year or $27 a month for this. And this is going to actually help you boost your engagement, your organic engagement and reach. It helps you build closer and better relationships, and it's gonna help you stay top of mind to your leads and your prospects. Next up, we got Winner Winner Chicken Dinner. People pay $9, $10 a month for the basic account or $27 a month for the unlocked account. And this is going to actually help you get more engagement and get more reach. It's gonna help you prime your leads by turning your everyday Facebook posts into viral giveaways and contests. Next up, we got Birthday Wisher. People pay $17 a month for our basic account, $97 a month for unlocked account. And this is gonna actually help you build relationships, stay connected, engage with prospects, start conversations, which is going to actually help you get more reach, more engagement, and can drive opt-ins, leads, and sales. Next up, we have Friend Disconnector. People are paying $10 a month for the basic account or $60 a month for the unlocked account. This is software that's actually going to help you remove your inactive friends, which will increase your organic engagement and reach. So you're going to be reaching more people. More people are going to actually be engaging with you, which is going to help you make more sales and get more leads. Next up, we have Group Monkey. People pay $5 a month for the basic account or $97 a month for the unlocked account. And this helps you grow and automate, manage, and monetize your Facebook groups, which you will find out are a very important aspect of monetizing your Facebook account. Next up, we have Post Profits. People pay $97 a month for the basic account or $127 a month for the unlocked account. This is something that's going to auto reply to comments that are on your post and actually send out messages automatically for you. So it's going to help you increase engagement, get more visibility, get more reach, get more engagement. It will start conversations and it can help you get leads and sales from your Facebook posts. Next up, we have Friend Connector. People are paying $127 a month for the basic account and $157 a month for the unlocked account. This actually helps you fill your friends list with your perfect ideal customer avatar. So you're building your friends, getting new leads, starting conversations on autopilot every single day. Next up, we have Post Scheduler. People pay $127 a month for this. This actually allows you to pre-schedule your content and organize your content library. Make sure and just make your whole content schedule of all the different types of content that you need to be creating, even build a content library of ideals, and then it posts it automatically to your personal profile and all the groups you're a member of. So this is actually going to help you be consistent and consistently put out content. Next up, we have Meth and Evan. This is $297 a year. People pay $97 a month for this software, and it actually auto-replies to incoming messages like an autoresponder chatbot based on keywords, which helps you keep conversations going, deliver your lead magnets, deliver your offers, answer questions automatically, even while you're sleeping. And last but not least, we have Genius Messenger CRM. People happily pay us $47 a month just for this software. This turns your Facebook Messenger into a full-blown CRM and sales pipeline to help you keep track of all your leads, all your buyers, send out broadcast messages, keep notes on everybody, know everything about everybody. So it actually helps you keep everybody organized in Messenger and supercharge your sales flow and your sales process, which will help you get more leads and more sales. That is all the software that we've included in this offer for you. We've included a huge amount of software, all the software that you need to actually automate all the things that you need to be doing so you can focus your time on doing things that can't be automated. And the value that we've painted here is actually the price that people come to us organically through our marketing process on Facebook and find our individual softwares and sign up individually for the software. So it's people actually paying the prices that we've listed here. So we've included these softwares based on the packages that you actually sign up for. But if you look at what's included in our Inquire package, this is $120 a month worth of software that we've included for you. If you look at our Curious package, this is $350 a month worth of software that we have included for you. And if you look at our all-in package, this is literally your all-in. We've included $850 worth of software for you. So you can see how much software we've actually included in this offer, how much value we've stacked in this offer just from the software alone that's included in this offer. Look, before we go in and show you all the different software we've included in the offer and what our customers who are coming organically through the same process that we teach you on Facebook and buying our products and services, some of which are these softwares that allowed us to build this company Tier 5. This is the company that we've built through this process. And these are who actually support the software. If you need any help, they're actually just in the other room. Let's take a look at them.
Yeah, let's take a look.
Let's take a look at them. They're just in the other room.
They're literally right now working.
They're right there in the other room. So let's go look at them. They're there to actually help you if you need to chat with somebody. They're there to help you if Facebook makes changes and something happens to the software. There's a bug, something doesn't work. They're there. There's a whole company that we've built through the same process using these same tools that is going to be there that you can rely on to help you with the software, to support it, and to fix any problems that's there. So now what we're going to do is we're basically just going to go through the software one by one.
It was kind of like when we started this business, we came, whatever problems that we came through, we solved it with a software. And then we started like helping other business owners, entrepreneurs, marketers with the software so that they can also do the like same process, like go through the same process, right?
Right.
Yeah, so I wanted to say that.
Okay, so you said it.
Why you stop though?
Why I stopped what?
When you are doing this, you have to like be in a big sync, right?
Yeah, so we're synced up.
Sync up.
Yeah, we're totally synced. Aren't we synced up? We're synced up.
Okay.
Cool. So maybe we go back and make that last slide. Yeah. Cool.
No, I was saying we should say that, right? Because that's what we did through the whole process where we came up with a problem, like we solved that with a software, and then obviously like we presented that solution in front of others to go through the same process. Like,
but no, that's all going to come in the rest